Welcome to Natalie's Treehouse.
Hello, everybody, and welcome to Natalie's Treehouse. Yes, today we have the Little Doctor set by Innocheer. They were nice enough to let Natalie pick out a toy, and this is what she was super excited about. We've had it for a few weeks now, but she's been super sick. All right, Natalie, go ahead. Here, I'll give you a little right here. You're welcome, you're welcome.
It's really heavy.
What? That is so cute.
Let's open it up, guys.
Okay, well, first show it to us.
Look at this. He's like, I need to have first patient.
Yeah, you have first patient?
Yeah.
All right, open it up. Here we go. Oh, ooh, what is that? I don't think it's a case.
I broke it.
You did not break it.
Now, can I put some stickers on, Mama? Can
Yep.
I put the stickers on?
Yes, baby, we can put some stickers on, but first, I think there's something very important you have to put on before you put on stickers.
Okay.
In that little bag was a doctor's coat and a mask. It's very important for doctors. All right, can you put it on? Wonderful, you look just like a little doctor.
Mommy,
Mm-hmm.
now can I do it?
Yeah, start opening.
Okay. Can you give me some scissors? And I can't breathe with that.
Okay, you can take off the mask. Everybody saw how beautiful it is. You can take it off.
I can't breathe with it on my nose.
Okay, here you go.
Thank you.
And I'm gonna put this right here.
Look, Mom, look. And we got some surgery cards.
Oh, wow.
Got some surgery cards. These
These
are,
look like they're Band-Aids.
yeah,
And these look,
medicine.
yeah, they're little boxes of medicine.
And what's this little buckles for?
Here, give me that, and I will put this on while you work on other stuff, okay?
Just need to peel it. So peel.
Alright, see? Now we have straps on it, and you can wear it like a doctor's bag over your shoulder.
Okay, here's my scissors.
Ooh.
How about I hang them up, but I don't want to right now because they're not burning up. Oh my god!
Glasses.
The tweezers.
You got a stethoscope.
Yep. Let me hear it. Did you hear my heart?
I did hear your heartbeat. Do you want to put some stickers on this stuff?
Yeah.
And here's one little box of medicine.
And where does this one go right here?
That's what it looks like. Ooh, beautiful. So you can hang up all your scissors, and you can keep all your medicine over here. See, what else do we have? Show us all the tools. We have 3 boxes of medicine. Do you know what that's for?
Yeah, making people feel better.
Yeah, sure is. So we have your stethoscope. You want to put this around your neck?
Right here.
And then we have some tweezers. I'm going to set those right here. We have your glasses. And we'll set those right there. And we have scissors and a clamp. I'm going to hang those up. Nice, little mirror. So like a mouse.
It looks like a dentist, doctor.
Yeah.
How about I put that right there, okay?
Sure. And we have a thermometer.
Yeah.
And we can change the temperature. Ooh, it goes really high.
Yeah.
We have a shot.
Oh yeah. We need some band-aids for our patient if we give them a shot.
We do. We have this, and it acts like a little saw for surgery.
What is that for?
So you use it to cut through stuff if you have to have surgery on one of your patients. Do you know what this is for?
Yeah, looking in your eyes and ears and mouth.
Yeah? Good job. All right. So what do you think so far?
Good.
All right, Dr. Natalie. Your first patient is Minnie Mouse.
Hey, come here. Hey, Minnie Mouse. Gotta lay down right here.
So what's wrong with Minnie Mouse today?
She has boo-boo.
She has a boo-boo. Oh my, what are you gonna do for her, Doc?
I actually need some band-aids.
Oh, Band-Aids. I like that idea.
Okay, how about we do this?
Oh, good job.
And she has, I think she has the cough, so she needs some
She needs some medicine.
She has coughs and a boo-boo. I need to open it.
Well, doctor, I think she feels all better. You're so good at this. You must have been in medical school for a long time. All right. Here, give me Minnie, and I will bring in the next patient. Come here, Minnie.
And are you gonna bring the second patient
Yep, it's Mr. Fox.
and some more patients?
We will have some more patients, but why don't we start with Mr. Fox? You have a whole huge caseload.
Oh no, Mommy!
What's wrong with Mr. Fox?
He needs to stay here for a long time.
Oh no, he needs to be admitted to the hospital. Does he need surgery? You should start doing some checkups. Maybe you should take his temperature.
Oh yeah, let me see. My temperature. All right then.
Here's your thermometer.
Okay, let me see your temperature, Mr. Fox. Sit up for me. Okay. It's like my Mr. Fox.
Oh my, what's his temperature, doctor?
Oh my goodness.
Oh wow.
It's a bad fever.
Okay, so what do we need to do next? He needs surgery, huh?
Yeah. You need to cut him open. He has a bug in him.
Oh no.
It's right here.
Oh no, doctor.
It's okay.
Can you use those tweezers to get the bug out?
Yeah. And I'm gonna gently.
So what we got?
Okay.
Sew him back up. You know, he should probably get a shot of medicine to help with the pain.
Like what?
Well, he just got it cut open. It's pretty painful. Here, maybe you should give it to him this way.
This medicine is for the chop.
Yeah. Brilliant, I say. Brilliant. I bet he feels all better.
He dies.
Hey, maybe you should check his ears first.
Oh yeah. Check his ears. Where's my ear thing?
It's in the sink right by you. How does it look, Doc?
Nothing's in his ears.
That's good, right? We don't want anything in his ears. Okay. Well, thank you for your patience. We have a lot more patients to see, so maybe we should say bye to everyone for now.
Bye.
Bye, guys. Thank you for watching. And please check out Innocheer's awesome doctor kit. Yeah. And give us a thumbs up. Natalie really likes it.
Yeah, I really like this doctor kit.